Hey guys, it's Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. I thought I'd give you a little behind the scenes footage of a quilt that I've been working on. I've actually been working on it for a little while because I hurt my shoulder and progress is halted. Progress is halted for a little while until I can get my shoulder fixed and I get cleared to be able to sew again. But I wanted to show you because I'm really in love with this quilt and I was gonna wait, but I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna show you now. So this is what I've been working on right here. It's all up on my design board. I actually used my Accuquilt to cut out these circles. I used one of their dies to cut out these circles, and I'm gonna put links down below if you're interested in getting an Accuquilt. I have another tutorial that I kind of walked through the process of how I did that one, but this is just a straight circle one, and I put it on top of 5-inch. I'll see if I can get a little bit closer, but it's kind of like a grungy white. So what I actually did was like a steam-a-seam on the back of these pieces right here, and I cut out the fabric with the steam-a-seam, and then I pressed it and I ironed it, and then I did an applique stitch around the outside of these circles. So that's pretty cool, right? They turned out really cute, and then I used some of the scrap fabrics to do these little like side pieces, and it looks a little bit random, but it's actually pretty straightforward and simple. But the way that it came out is really, really fun, and I'm excited to show you a little bit more, you know, just kind of how this project came together. So here is the quilt in its entirety. It's actually kind of a rather small quilt just because I ran out of those white squares, but see, it's kind of like a grungy white fabric. And then I've still got a thread there that I need to trim from my applique stitch around there. So I just did a little applique stitch around there, and it turned out really cute. I'm loving this. I'm thinking it's gonna make an adorable little baby quilt, and I'm probably going to add a very scrappy border around there too, just to make it extra fun. So I would love to hear from you in the comment section down below if you ever just got kind of like a wild hair of an idea and you started out having no idea where it was going, but then as it came together, it actually turned into something really, really cool. I would love to hear about it because I think that that is part of the creativity bug that gets all of us, is just these projects that really, really make us happy and make things worth continuing and worth creating more and more quilts, is just to see what else out there has never been created before. And, you know, what's going to be the first thing that you create that nobody else has ever seen before. I hope that you're having a wonderful day, and I look forward to reading some of your stories down below. If you have any questions for quilting, please let me know. I'd love to answer them. All month long, I'm answering more questions, more and more questions that you have regarding just modern quilting in general. Feel free to email me or post them in the comments down below, and I will get back with you. My name's Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.